Hey everybody, I wanted to let you know I got some income proof, right? This came in the mail when I was away. Went back to check out what was there, and there was some money waiting for me. So now I'm going to open this, make sure I cover up his information. Don't want to put his stuff out there. All right, yes, I did open this because I was thinking maybe it was some junk mail. So yep. All right. And this is the Hamilton's flyer. So this is the first level of the program. There are 4 levels. So if you're interested, on my YouTube channel, contact me, and you can either text me, you can email me, and I'll get you your own copy so that you can send in and get your customized flyer. Okay, so let's get to the good part. So this is the $50 flyer, right? And there's the money. So $40, and this is what you get every time somebody joins the Hamilton's flyer with your name on it. 40 bucks. So not bad, huh? Yeah, man. So anyway, if you're interested, get back to me. Either text me, email me, call me, whatever. Leave a message. I'll get back to you, all right? So nothing like getting mailbox money, people. All right. Check you out later. Bye.